When I was in college, I was told to work on scholar sheet. I wasn't knowing what scholar sheet is. I asked my teacher, Madam, what is scholar sheet? She said, Adil, just go to bazaar and ask for the scholar sheet. They would be giving you the scholar sheet. Scholar sheet is essential for you. That is necessary to work on. Next day, I thought that we should work on simple chart paper because scholar sheet was very expensive for us, 40 rupees at that time. So I just visited college next day when I go to the college, and I just said, teacher, this is a simple chart paper and I'm going to draw on because it's thicker than scholar sheet and it's very soft and smooth paper. It is very good paper. The teacher said, Adil, scholar sheet is textured paper. You have some design on it, on that paper. You are going to use a charcoal. I'm going to show you. This is charcoal. This is charcoal, a coal. Teacher said, Adil, you just hold the coal and start drawing something on a very soft surface. Like there was a whiteboard. You know, whiteboard is very soft, very plain paper, a very plain surface. I started just drawing something with the coal on the white board, and I was unable to draw something. Then teacher said, Adil, you can't draw something on the simple chart paper because you have to use this coal for the scholar sheet because scholar sheet has textured surface. A coal can easily be used on the textured surface. Like if I use this coal on this soft surface, it's unable to be used. When this would be a little textured, I can use. So this is the reason why we have to use a textured sheet. There are many kinds of sheets like the scholar sheet and pastel sheet, but scholar sheet is good because textured is very fine. And another question is, why do we have to use charcoal pencil or charcoal or coal, simple coal? Why are we going to use this? My answer is, if you have to draw something with a graphite pencil, a simple pencil you are having in your bags, especially kids, they are having simple pencils in their bags. When they draw something, when they write something, and when they look at that paper from a different angle, that gives something a shiny look. We can't easily look at the drawing and at the writing, but when we work with the coal, there is no glare, no shine, nothing, reflection. The easy word I use, reflection. When I draw something on the copy with the simple pencil, HB pencil, 4B pencil, 6B pencil, from a different angle, when I look at the paper, I will get some reflection of the light. But when I will be using coal, from every angle, wherever I'll be putting that painting, and from wherever I'll be looking at the painting, there will be no reflection on that of that sketch or the drawing. This is the reason. Another reason is charcoal is darker than graphite, simple pencil. More reasons. I have many reasons that why we have to use charcoal pencil. Another reason is charcoal, gradually charcoal gets darker. After 100 years, charcoal will be exact as that you do right now. So I guess the graphite pencil and the simple pencil would get dull. I don't think, but I don't think so. Pencil will get dull, but charcoal is better, will get darker, better than graphite pencil. This is the reason why artists use charcoal pencils. So keep working, start drawing. Another question, should we be using charcoal pencils for the whole drawing? My answer is you have to use graphite pencil for outlines, for drawing, but for shading and for completion, for finalizing the drawing and your sketches, you have to use coal, charcoal. In next videos, I'll be instructing you how to use charcoal, pencil and simple coal. You can ask me questions in comment bar and text me. You can WhatsApp me. I'm giving my WhatsApp number. You can ask me about the paintings. You can buy my paintings. You can order the paintings. You can learn how to paint, how to draw. I'm always here for my students, for artists as well. I can, it's because I want everybody who's watching the video to learn faster. Good luck and good evening. It's evening here.